Hello, welcome to the Yoga Download. Today we practice meditation. We practice meditation with gratitude. So meditate with gratitude. That's we practice today. So you come and choose any comfortable cross-leg position. You can take a block, sit on the block. You can take a bolster, you can sit on the bolster, or any way you like to sit. Any comfortable cross-leg position. It's whatever is make you easy to sit, where you can sit in ease with your body, where you can keep your shoulders relaxed, where you can keep your hips relaxed. So when you sit in ease, so we don't have to worry about, or we don't have to stress about in our physical bodies. So then we can just watch our minds, watch our thoughts, and try to relaxing our minds and our thoughts. So let's choose try to sit in a very comfortable cross-leg position. My very dear friend Amber is here, will demonstrate the meditation with us. So she's, as you see, she's sitting in a very comfortable cross-leg position, and she's using a block. So they help to elevate the spine up. So they help to relax in sitting and relaxing down. So you can choose your arms like she has on her knees, or you can be on the lap, whichever way you like. And you can just now very simply close your eyes softly into the eye sockets, and you relax your shoulders down. Take a moment to relaxing the shoulders down, closing the eyes softly into the eye sockets, and relaxing the forehead. So relax your forehead and space between eyebrows. There's a lot of times happen, there's a little tension and stress happen between the eyebrows. So relax this space. Now sit tall with your shoulders relaxed down, and just allow your focus on your breathing. So just take few breaths in the beginning. You can count your breath in the beginning, like inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. Inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. So take few breaths on your own. That will help us to allow our mind to calm and settle down our bodies. Once you find ease in the body, you just gradually slow down your breath. Let's settle down the dust. And meditation is not something to really achieve, it's something to just sit, relax, and just watch your thoughts like a movie screen. One thought come, let them pass by. Another come, let them pass by. And gradually, mind gonna slow down. There is nothing to accomplish here, nothing to reach for. Just sitting in ease. And relaxing, calming the mind. If your mind wanders out from your object, and that's your breath is your object, bring your focus back to the breath. And they will help to focus and quiet in the mind again. Don't get agitated. If today focus is hard, Don't get angry. Breath by breath, thought by thought, allowing the body to still, mind to calm. One breath at a time. One thought at a time. And gradually body will still, mind find ease, and then stage of quietness. And next, $10 or so, just enjoy the sound of silence, quietness, and ease. very softly bring your awareness back into your physical body and gently rub your palms together. Gently rub the palms together. Rub a little bit more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and as you softly bring your palms top of those beautiful eyes and give a gentle massage to those eyes. Gentle massage the eyes. Make sure your shoulders relax. You stay with your breath. Now softly press your palm top of the eyes. Relax your shoulders down. That heat we created through our palms when we were rubbing, you can even feel that smell. The energy help to relaxing the eyes. Also they help to strengthen the eyes. Now leave your eyes closed and spread the fingers and gently draw the hands down in front of this beautiful heart. Exhale here and lifting the beautiful heart. Inhale, and with love, devotion, grace, softly we bow the head to the prayer as we exhale. Softly bow the head. Welcome home. With gratitude, with compassion, kindness, with love, I offer my practice, I offer my meditation, my energy for all the beings everywhere, happy, healthy, and free from any harm and any sufferings. May my life, may my practice somehow contribute for their well-being. Lifting the beautiful head up, inhale, softly releasing the arms, opening the eyes as you exhale. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for taking a moment from your busy day or busy life and sitting quiet and just checking with yourself. Taking a time to taking care of yourself, then we can take care of our families and friends and people around us. I find the process is amazing. It's so wonderful. And it's taking a time, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, maybe half an hour, maybe sometime 5 minutes. Whatever you have. And whenever. It doesn't have to have a certain time. Whenever you have time and moment anywhere, just take that moment and practice meditation, but meditate with gratitude. With gratitude. Not for achieving anything or finding anything. It's gratitude. Gratitude for this moment, gratitude for this life, gratitude for our families and friends in our life. So thank you for taking the time, and thank you for teaching me yoga. Thank you for being in my life, and thank you for practicing yoga. I hope to see you soon in a meditation on the mat or in the class. Have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. My friends, my teachers, a wonderful family, Namaste. Namaste. Namaste.